So we're at 131 Edderside Drive. This is a 4-bed detached house, great family home. It sits at the head of a cul-de-sac. I'll spin round, you can see the street scene. Really popular family with development with families. And this property is being rented out now for the first time. So let's go in and take a look. Driveway for at least a couple of cars there. We have an integral garage. Park a car, keep prams, keep bikes, etc. And then we take our way into the hallway. So the hallway gives access to the stairs rising to the first floor and the kitchen, and also to the living room. And the living room, plenty of space in here for sofa, chairs, and living room furniture. And it looks out to the front of the property over the lawn and the driveway. Making our way through to the kitchen. Kitchen is nicely fitted out with nice modern units. We've got a gas hob electric oven. We have a nice peninsula unit here, which separates the room from either the dining area or a family room, whatever you want to use. And you've got a lovely outlook there through French doors, looking out to the secure rear garden, which I'll show you in a second. You've got space in here and plumbing for space in here for a under-counter fridge, maybe a dishwasher, something like that. And you've got space here for a tall fridge freezer over in that section. And then into the utility, under-counter space again, perhaps for a dryer and for a washing machine. And we have the downstairs cloak here as well. So that's your ground floor accommodation. We'll have a quick walk out the back. So the garden's nice and secure, safe for children to play out in, good for dogs, pets, etc. Very, very low maintenance because it's been fitted with false lawn, an AstroTurf style lawn. And we've got a patio area there again, just sitting outside of that dining stroke family area and the kitchen I showed you. So that's us on the ground floor and out the rear, and we'll take a walk back through and we'll go and check the bedrooms. So 4 in total. We'll go clockwise around the top floor here. So this is our first of our bedrooms, a double room. The double room looking out onto the front street again. You can see how quiet it is. Occasional dog walker, and that's about it. So nice double room. Then our next room on our left is our bathroom. Bathroom with the bath, WC wash hand basin, all nice and modern. And then we have our second bedroom, which is a smaller double, and it looks out over the rear of the property down to the secure garden there. Moving on. Another bedroom. This one is on the smaller side. So this could be a single room, or perhaps it could be used as a home office or dressing room. Multiple options really. And then we have another bedroom here, another double. Once again, looking out over to the rear, and plenty of space in here for double bed, wardrobes, chest of drawers, that sort of thing. The final room, which is our 5th bedroom. Good sized double, this one being the master and having the ensuite facilities, the walk-in shower, WC and wash hand basin, and once again looking out to the front of the property. So there we go, we've got a 5-bed detached family home, vacant and ready to rent now. If you're interested in taking a look at this property, just give us a little call, drop us an email at Hunters, and we'd be glad to help.